And to tell you something I have never said out loud before. After my graduation, I have cried more and more. Not because of happiness, because I failed my IELTS and I did not know what to do next. This video is about what happened after that and what I built because of that pain. After I finished my graduation, I had one dream: go abroad, build a better life, do something great, give something back to my family. But between me and that dream, there was one block, one thing comes, that is IELTS. And honestly, I wasn't scared. I thought I will prepare, I will give the exam again, I will pass simple. Everyone around me was saying that the same thing to me. Take a paper based exam, it's really easy compared to computer based exam. So I listened, I trusted them. I gave 4 to 5 months for my IELTS preparation. I studied every day, I sacrificed weekend, use night that I did not sleep. I believed in myself. Then the result came. It wasn't enough. I still remember the moment sitting there reading that result, that feeling I don't wish it to anyone. Months of hard work, it's just not enough. I sat with that facing of while. I want patent, I didn't. But then something inside me said, no, you are not done. One more time. Let's try again. Take time. This will be your last time. So try again in your way. This time I chose computer-based exam. I prepared again, but smarter, more focused. I walked into the exam room and something different in my chest. Not fear, it's determination. Alhamdulillah, I got a good bench. It's huge for me. The result changed everything for me, for my life, for my family also. I got what I worked for. But here the thing, I never forgot how alone I felt during that exam. I never forgot how alone I felt during that preparation. I never forget searching for free practices resources, finding nothing good. I never forgot being a student with no money, no platform, no proper guidance. It's really hard to find anything. And whenever I found something new that was paid, I had huge financial burden that moment. I never forgot that feeling. And that's exactly what I am here today. After my IELTS journey, I started this channel, IELTS Ignite. I started uploading practice videos, listening, reading, writing, speaking. Simple videos, just me trying to help. I'm not a big creator, I'm not a professional creator. I'm just someone who wanted to this and thought maybe someone out this they may need this kind of video, this kind of tips. And Alhamdulillah, the response I got is huge for me, genuinely huge. I never thought people may comment, people may reach, people may view my videos. Seeing students from different country watching, commenting, saying this helped me. That hit different. It told me something very clearly. These students need more than just videos. They need real place where they can practice. So I asked myself one question: why is there no free platform where IELTS students can practice? Everything in on the place is huge but paid. for free properly, like a real exam. I didn't find any platform. I searched, I looked everywhere. I could not find it. Everything good was behind a payroll. And I thought, if I couldn't find it, how many students right now are struggling because of this same thing? So I made a decision. I'm going to build it myself. I'm not a big company. I have no team, but I know how to code. And I know what a student need because I was that student. So started building. I won't make it sound easy. It wasn't really easy. There were nights, many nights, where I didn't sleep, where I was just sitting with my laptop, with my PC, fixing bug, writing code, testing things, breaking things, fixing again, again, again. I built with it Next.js, a modern fast web technology, because I wanted it to be fast for you, smooth, professional, not some rough free tools that feels bad to use. I wanted it to feel real exam. That one moment I thought, this is too much for one person. Maybe I should just stop. But then I remembered that student, the one who failed, is really hard. The one who searched for help but couldn't find anything, couldn't find any scope to get it. That student was me, and he probably you too right now. Okay, let me show you what I built. I will take you through everything step by step. So first, login page. First, logging in my super sample. You can sign in with your Gmail account or one with one click, or you just do it with your normal email and password. Not completed forms, no verification headache. Just sign in and do it in yourself and go inside. So inside the dashboard, you can find mainly this is the dashboard. Your home inside IELTS Ignite. Look at this. You can see your progress chart right here. Every test you take, every practice session, it tracks it. You can set your target band. You can see exactly where you are doing and how far you need to go. This is important because progress you can't see, it's can't believable. And I wanted you to see yourself getting better. So now listening, this is the section closest to my heart because this module I really love, and I got a huge band in this module. I have been inside a real IELTS exam center. I know exactly how the audio plays, how the question looks, how timing feels. I built this to match that environment as closely as possible. You press the start, the audio plays, the question are right there. Your answer just like the real exam. No distraction, no words, no pop-up telling you to subscribe, just you, the audio and your focus. Practice here enough time, and when you walk into real exam, it won't feel new. It's feel familiar, it's feel fabulous. Let's move to the reading practice part. This is reading practice, same idea, same exam, real passages, real question types, same timed, clean interface. Read answer, submit, and then see where you went wrong. Simple but really effective. Let's move to the writing section. It's really important part for every IELTS taker because mainly students can make mistakes and their band reduced for this section. So we have task 1 and task 2 sample questions and model answers, not just one answer but answer from band 7 to band 9 side by side. So you can see this is what band 7 looks like, and this is what band 9 looks like, and what difference, and what you need to do, and what you need to add. You can also take IELTS writing practice task 1 and task 2, and after taking exam you could get a good band or band description in the below. So it's really important for you to find where you made mistakes. Let's move to the speaking part. Speaking practice coming in full soon, but I will already find practice questions organized by topic and part. Use them to practice with yourself, with your friends, with anyone. The full interactive speaking module very soon, I promise. So now this is vocabulary section, because a strong vocabulary is not optional for a good band, it's essential. Words organized by topic, by different filter, different module, you can filter them by difficulty also. Practice them here, use them, and for writing, speaking, reading also. And watch the full answer transcom. And also, if you find it, do not need to read it again, you can check. Then this answer, this vocabulary will move to next section, that is learn section. So you no need to read it again, and whenever you need to recap this, you just move to the learn section and you can recap it. So it's easy and easy. Let me introduce a new feature, that is day and night mode. So you can find it at the top of the nav bar. You can easily switch night to day or day to night, because it's really effective. I know many people study late night, so your eyes deserve a break. This toggle button really help you, I believe. So okay, I want to be really with you now, just you and me. Everything I just showed you, it's real, it works. I built it with my own hands, my own time, my own sleepless nights. But to launch this properly, to put it a server that can handle thousands of students at the same time, to keep it running, to keep it updated, that costs money, real money. And I want to state this very clearly. I'm not asking you money. No $1, no €1, no taka, no rupee, no anything, no subscription, nothing. I know what financial pressure feels like as a student. I have lived it. I will never be the reason a student can access good resources, but here what I need from you. Just think, tell me, do you need this? Do you really need this? Is this something that would help you when you are struggling? Is this something you would use? Is this something your friend need right now? Because if I see this answer is yes, if this video reaches enough people, if comments say we need this, I promise you, with everything, I will find the funding somehow. I will launch this fully for free for you. That's my promise, and I don't make promise lightly. So here is the what I want you to write now, and it takes 10 seconds. Comment below, just write I need this or launch it. That's it. That one comment is your vote. It tells me the matters. It might be the comment that makes the platform real for thousands of students. If you have suggestion, a feature you want, something I should add, something I should change, please tell me. I built this alone with my own hands. I can change things. Your idea will directly shape what this becomes. My email in the description. Reach out anytime about the platform, about IELTS, about anything. I am a free person. I am a real person. I can reply. I I will reply. And if this story touches you, if you feel something watching this, share this video, send it to your friend who's preparing for IELTS. Definitely they must listen this story. What one story could change someone's journey? I started IELTS Ignite from a failure and a dream. I failed that first exam, but that failure taught me something. It showed me exactly what students need, and it pushed me to build something that I wish had existed when I was struggling. This platform is not a business, it's not a product, it's promise for someone who been in your exact position, that you don't have to go through this alone. As Ignite, free for students always. Assalamu alaikum. Keep going. You are closer than you think. If you think this video is helpful, if you think this channel is helpful, definitely do subscribe, do comment, do like, do share also. Thank you.